Dewan Keamanan PBB menggelar sidang atas resolusi terkait pembukaan Selat Hormuz. Sidang digelar pada Selasa waktu setempat di New York, Amerika Serikat. Sidang dibuka oleh delegasi Bahrain yang didukung oleh negara-negara Teluk pengekspor minyak lainnya. Bahrain telah memulai negosiasi pada 2 minggu lalu, saudara, mengenai rancangan resolusi untuk memberikan mandat PBB kepada negara manapun untuk menggunakan blokade di Selat Hormuz.
Condemned its obstruction of safe civilian. I want to be very clear that the United States stands with Bahrain. The United States stands with the people of the Gulf at this moment of reckoning. Colleagues, this is a time for choosing, and the countries that just opposed this resolution, led by the Kingdom of Bahrain, have chosen to oppose them. Just over 3 weeks ago, this Council adopted a resolution which garnered a record-setting, a UN record of 136 co-sponsors with no opposition in this Council. It was the most supported resolution in UN history, and that resolution clearly demanded that Iran immediately cease its attacks and threats against neighboring states and condemned its obstruction of safe civilian shipping through the Strait of Hormuz.
The objective of this draft is obvious: to punish the victim for defending its sovereignty and vital national interests in the Persian Gulf and the Strait of Hormuz, while providing political and legal cover for further unlawful acts by the aggressors. Had this draft been adopted, it could have opened the door to dangerously broad and abusive interpretation that could be used to justify further use of force and unlawful actions in clear violation of the UN Charter and international law.
Rusia dan Tiongkok memveto rancangan resolusi Dewan Keamanan PBB yang bertujuan membuka Selat Hormuz yang saat ini di bawah penguasaan Iran. Pada pemungutan suara ada 11 suara yang mendukung resolusi, 2 negara memveto, sementara 2 negara lainnya abstain. Dengan hasil ini, saudara, rancangan resolusi Dewan Keamanan PBB belum bisa diadopsi.
The meeting is adjourned. The draft resolution has not been adopted owing to the negative vote of a permanent member of the Council.